Hello everyone, by names of Katende Reni Magala. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, actually our YouTube channel. We are dealing with indoor air quality monitoring, and we are going to look at the business canvas of our project. I'll take you through a brief introduction of air quality monitoring as usual. Like air quality monitoring, here we monitor the specific pollutants or air pollutants within a specified environment. Let me say like the households, let me say like the buildings, tall buildings, let me say like apartments, yeah, something like that. So I shall be taking you through how we are going to deal with the business canvas. Taking you to the next part, we shall see like we shall talk about the key partners, the key activities, the value propositions, the key resources, the customer segments, the customer relationship channels, cost structure, revenue streams. Like all of them, we shall find them within or what I'm going to explain. Those are like the key partners. Who are our key partners? Key activities. What are the key activities that we always carry out? What are the value propositions? What are the key resources that we shall be using to promote our business? What are the, which customer relationship, or what is the relationship, or what will be the relationship we shall be having with our customers? What are the channels that we shall use to pass through or to be able to reach onto our customers? Who are our customers? Like those are the customer segments. What is going to be our cost structure, and where are we going to get the revenue? Continuing, like now, this is where it comes. Who are our key partners? Specifically, I introduced it by these are the organizations, companies, and stakeholders that play a critical role in promoting, developing, and using technologies, services, or knowledge to measure, improve, and maintain healthy indoor and air environments. Like these are the organizations, as it has said, these are the organizations, these are the companies that we shall be working hand in hand to see that we should be able to improve and maintain the health indoor air quality environment. Some of the key partners that we shall be having, they are the IoT hardware suppliers, like the sensors, those ones that will be supplying the sensors. We shall be working hand in hand with them. Like, let me say the carbon dioxide sensor. We shall need the hardware suppliers to be able to supply unto us those sensors. The name are the National Environment Management Authority, especially in Uganda. How are we going to be dealing? We shall be conserving the environment. Yeah, Ministry of Health, like we have the Ministry of Health in Makerere University, especially when we say that we are going to deal within Makerere University, we shall be having the Ministry of Health to work hand in hand with us. Like they will be providing us either with the data, like the data set, or we shall also work hand in hand with the University for AI research. Like let me say that Makerere AI Lab, Health Lab, we shall be working hand in hand with them. How are we going to implement our models, or how are we going to implement like those our models within those sensors? Smart home ecosystem providers, like those people who provide the air conditioners, who provide specifically air conditioners, smart home, environmental NGOs, the air quality sensor manufacturers, they're the same as the IoT hardware suppliers, specifically the wires that will be connected as you know. Then the public health organizations like the hospitals themselves. Going further, what are going to be our key activities? Like what are we going to do specifically to bring in the customers, okay, to seek the attention of the customers? Like I defined it by saying that it involves the continuous tracking, analysis, and management of indoor to ensure that air quality levels remain within safe and healthy limits. Like we shall be able to track, we shall continuous tracking, we shall be able to analyze and manage the indoor air quality, indoor air. We shall be carrying out the software development, application development, like building the apps that will be able to monitor customer physicians, data analytics, regulatory compliance sensor, then real-time data processing to ensure that accurate air quality monitoring and seamless user experience. What key resources do we need? What are the resources that we need to build up, like to enable us to perform our key activities. I defined it as it refers to the critical assets or tools, technologies, and capabilities that an organization needs to successfully implement, operate, and scale an IAQ monitoring system. Like specifically, we have the data pipeline and data storage. Yeah, in every business, when we are dealing with anything concerning IT, we should have a data storage. Where are we going to keep our data, like the servers? Where are we going to maintain the data pipelines? Where are we going to keep our data for the regulatory, uh, overview or like continuous tracking? AI machine learning models, we shall need the machine learning models to be able to monitor the what? The air quality, the IoT sensors, like the carbon dioxide sensors, the PM10 sensors, the volatile organic compound sensors, the software development team, that team that will be able to have like to develop the websites, to develop the applications that the customers will need, the customer support and sales team, the sales team that will be able to promote our product or that will be able to promote our project, the customer support specifically, like how are we going to support our customers? How are we going to give out like the necessary help to our customers, the cloud infrastructure, like which clouds are we going to host on? What are our value propositions? Value propositions, what are the values that we are going to give unto the customers? We have the improved health, the cost savings, the real-time air quality monitoring, is the integration and user-friendly interfaces. Like we give out like our project or our app or our should be easy to integrate or should have a user-friendly interface whereby our customers should be freely like or able to integrate with the system as well. Then the user empowerment and education, we shall be able to educate the users on how to use our system or on how like to monitor, on how specifically to use our system. Data-driven insights. Going further, our customer relationships, we need to, by the way, to create customer relationships so that our bond with the customers should be a tight bond. Like I defined it as it refers to the way our business or a service engages with and manages interactions with its customers, like the automated self-service dashboard. Like our customers, we should not always be there to, like if the customer wants to check, like we should not always be there to either to press that you can check here, you can check here. It should be an automated self-service dashboard whereby a customer can easily read that if you want to check or if you want to check for the levels of carbon dioxide, it should be onto this button checking for the levels of carbon dioxide. Enterprise support for business, like we shall be able to support businesses. Let me say that we have our customers as like the ecosystem real-time ecosystem, home ecosystems. Like they should be able to advertise using our websites. They should be able to, especially if those ads, they will be able to advertise their businesses as well using our product or our website or our system. Personalized recommendations, like we should be able to recommend the customers. Let me say that the a person has faced this problem. We should be able to recommend that person to either a doctor. Then loyalty and retention programs, post-sale engagements. Then who are our customer segments? These are the customer segments. These are the customers that we shall be dealing with, that the company will serve, like the healthcare facilities, like the hospitals, clinics, and nursing homes, smart buildings and office spaces, residential customers, industries, schools, and educations. What are our channels? Like where are we going to pass through to reach unto our customers? That's specifically what it means. We shall be using the direct sales like B2B business, business to business partnership. We shall be dealing with the IoT so that we reach our customers, those IoT sellers, or like we shall be dealing with the real-time ecosystem, home management system. We shall also be dealing with the retail distributions. We shall also be dealing with within our websites. If a person wants to check onto our website, it can be accessible, the app stores, like the online SaaS, software as a service. We also, what is our cost structure specifically? We have the cloud infrastructure costs. These costs, like, what are the various costs or expenses involved in this developing, like the system? Marketing costs. We shall need the marketing costs. We shall need to market our business. We shall need legal and compliance costs. We shall need the customer support costs, research and development costs, because we shan't just come out of the blue just to. We need to make further research and then develop. We need to pay those software development teams. We need the hardware and sensor manufacturers, like the hardware and sensor manufacturer sensors. So that will always also be a cost. Software development costs. What will be our revenue streams? Subscription, they will be subscribing onto our website. Hardware sales, we shall be working hand in hand with those people selling the IoT hardware so that they sell their products easily. Consultation fees, like within the hospitals, if they want to consult, maintenance and support services, if they want to maintain and support as well, training and education, advertising and partnership, government and government grant and funding. Yeah. So far, that is our thank you very much. We are from group 41, and I still remain as Katende Roni Magala. Thank you very much.